Welcome to Heritage Lakes in West Mobile, Alabama. This beautiful Camden floor plan is my favorite D.R. Horton home. It has a full in-law suite. It is a 4-bedroom with 3.5 baths. It is over 2,700 square feet and it has gorgeous tray ceilings in the dining room, in the living area, as well as the primary suite. This home comes standard with these beautiful quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and luxury vinyl plank throughout the living areas. This beautiful home is a Gold FORTIFIED Home, which drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance. Call today for your private showing. Don't forget, D.R. Horton pays up to $4,000 towards your buyer's closing costs when you use their preferred lender. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.